Welcome to another work from home as a freelancer video. My name is Shenteria Marie, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made 115 bucks in only 5 minutes. That's right, 115 bucks in only 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, in last week's video I talked about the difference between the freelance platforms Fiverr.com and Upwork.com, and I showed you the difference based on two jobs I received on the platforms. One was for 175 bucks, the other was for 170 bucks, and I compared the prices in comparison to the time it took me to complete each job, and Upwork seemed to come off on top. And I also said that Upwork is the upscale version of Fiverr.com, because Fiverr is about $5, of course, you know. So this is Fiverr. If you can see on my screen, this is Fiverr.com and this is Upwork.com. So they're both really good platforms, but there is definitely a difference between the two. But in saying that Upwork is the upscale version of Fiverr, I will say that I recently got a job, and I'll go to it now. This is the $115 job right here, where it only took me 5 minutes to complete. So what it is Fiverr has, as a voiceover artist on Fiverr, I record audio files for my clients. Well, Fiverr recently incorporated the commercial rights and the broadcast rights for files for voiceover artists. I'm not sure if they do it for logo production or whatever else, but for voiceover artists, we are backed by that. So we have the option to offer commercial rights to our audio files and broadcast rights to our audio files. Now, commercial rights to me means that you can use the audio onto like your website or something, like you put it in a video and you can just post it on your website or your social media social media accounts or whatnot. But for broadcast rights means paid channels, such as radio, such as TV commercials, also internet paid advertisement and different things like that. And so my client actually used this audio file for a Facebook ad, and I had actually a very honest client, because this is what they actually came to me and said. They said first they ordered the $15 voiceover right here, and it was only about 51 words for the voiceover, and the lowest amount that I accept for a voiceover is 15 bucks now. I actually refuse to do $5 orders on Fiverr anymore. I'm done with that after 3 years. I am totally done with that. So anyway, my client initially purchased the 15 bucks for the 51 word voiceover, and they wanted it to be a total of 15 seconds. And so after doing that, they messaged me and said, one more thing, we are looking to use this on a video for our blog, but also possibly using it on Facebook ads, as it says here. Is there an additional charge for that? And of course I come back and I say, yes, in order to use the voiceover in a Facebook ad, the full broadcast rights must be purchased. The price is 100 bucks. Would you like me to send the custom offer now? So the amount that I charge total for full broadcast rights is 100 bucks. 100 bucks for full broadcast rights. So for paid advertising, paid marketing, 100 bucks plus the 15 bucks, and it only took me 5 minutes to complete this audio file for my client. So now they have the full broadcast rights to this file. For commercial rights, I only charge about 15 bucks. Total difference there. But this is how I was able to charge 115 bucks and get the job done in only 5 minutes. And it was 5 minutes because, even though it was a 15-second file, because I try to provide the best quality audio that I possibly can for my clients. And which is smart, because as a business owner, you have to do that. It's always about quality, not quantity. You have to make sure that you're about quality and not quantity. And of course, my client could have just gone back to somebody else on Fiverr and been like, hey, I want this file done, I want the broadcast rights, because some people actually offer that for free. So they could have done that, but because they specifically wanted my voice, they knew that I offered high quality files, they wanted me for the job, they chose to pay for the full broadcast rights. When you've been in an arena for so long and you've done so much to provide quality customer service, great content for your clients, great deliveries, and you deliver on time, like you actually put yourself in a position where you will make more, because you'll have repeat customers that come back over and over again, and it'll start to pay more. And so you just have to make sure that you stick with that in your business, that you are on time, that you offer good high quality content, and you will get there. So that is how I made $115 in only 5 minutes as a freelancer who works from home. And that was actually on Fiverr.com. So if you like this video, if you found something that helped you move forward in your business, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I truly appreciate it, and I hope that this content is helping you in your freelance business, your freelance journey. Thank you for watching.